Deep tech to me is technology that is based on some significant scientific breakthrough, something that has high technology risk. It's sort of like, if we build it, they will come, and you don't need to wait the age of the universe to solve the problem.
If you start at the kind of theoretical level, coming up with the theories and codes and architecture of a quantum computer, that's a very rare skill set in the world.
We just did a simple back of the envelope on how many people in the world today could be actively trying to build a quantum computing company or a quantum computer together. And Xanadu had already assembled 40 plus PhDs, postdocs, and people from the academic world, of which literally represented a large percentage of all of the potential talent that could be doing this in the world.
You know, when we're looking at technology that can be disruptive, there's a real opportunity to own a piece of something that is kind of mission critical for not just Canada, but also the globe. Being able to support firms like Xanadu here in this country are important, because if you don't make bets, there's no opportunity for you to potentially have the upside.
There's two major challenges for everyone. The first one is really to start from scratch. You want to build a quantum computer, you really have to start from a bare chip. And from that, you need to package this chip to have the right optical, electrical interfaces. And once you're done with the packaging, you have to integrate into a bigger module, which is rack mounted.
I think in the shorter term leading up to us actually having fault-tolerant hardware, it's software. So therefore, we can invite, and we do invite, other researchers, contributors from all around the world to contribute to our open source software framework.
Because at the end of the day, we could build the most powerful machine we've ever seen, but if no one can use it, what good is it? So software is that enabler of making this technology useful to people.
It's a way to build that community, build those users ahead of time before the hardware comes, so that it's a natural transition to bring that base of users to our hardware.
We know the quantum computing prize is a home run if we can achieve it. The question is, can we achieve it? So we're making high-risk bets. There are only a handful of startups out there that have viable efforts to try and achieve this. And for me, the roadmap, the technology roadmap that this team has put together and the regular progress that they're making on that technology roadmap is compelling.
You literally have various countries out there vying for leadership around quantum computing. Both government and corporate players in different geographies hypothesize on whether or not they should make the investment in Xanadu to pull Xanadu out of Canada and develop in their country or their region.
It's a big pursuit. It involves large numbers of people, and in order to make progress, it's not enough for you to be an expert in something. You also have to feel welcome, you have to feel encouraged and motivated by it. And I think the kind of culture that we've cultivated here definitely supports all those things. In some sense, Xanadu represents a little bit of Canada. We have a very diverse workforce, and the diversity is not just in terms of where people have come from, but also in opinions and perspectives and backgrounds and experiences that really coincides quite nicely with this new and multidisciplinary pursuit that we have here.
We're punching above our weight a little bit, and that's to me, a very Canadian thing.